So basically, in Parc Dewi Sant, the old St David's Hospital site in Carmarthen, Building 1, we've now Planet as the lead tenant have taken over the building, and it's basically a collaboration of services all together. So we've got 11 different offices, and we've got people like Carmarthenshire Working, College Sir Gâr, Age Rhwydwaith, Delta Wellbeing, People Speak Up, Links Mental Health. There's lots of people here, all working in Carers Trust, supporting everyone in Carmarthenshire in the community. But we've got 2 large shed spaces as well where we're delivering activities, and part of it is primary care as well. So we're looking at things like a breastfeeding group, and they're on about like nutrition with children and baby massage and all different things of how people can live well. And we're hoping people like the EPP team will be able to come in and deliver information sessions. But we've got a big garden out the back. And the idea is, we're going to, thanks Marie for the Keep Wales Tidy grant. We're hoping to go for that and have a polytunnel and a shed and some benches, and it's open for everyone in the community to access and use. It's flat and it's got rails and it's wheelchair friendly, fully inclusive. And what we'd like to do is grow food and have nutrition, how to eat, how to cook on a budget, how to grow your own food, be sustainable, and how people can eat and live well and cook and then keep the food for themselves as a resource, or maybe if there's a food bank or someone that it could go to, that's what we want to do. All community focus with learning new skills for people. So in any way, if anyone can be part of it or would like to be involved, we'd be really grateful. So that's it from me. I've tried to put it in a nutshell, but we've got a big open day on the 5th of December from 11 o'clock till 2:30. So I'll send Jamie a flyer, and obviously if you'd like to come and see the space and come and see what's going on here, we're going to have some free taster sessions of things that will happen. It's like salsa dancing and some crafts. Everything here is free for everyone to access.
We've got a question from Anna.
Hi Anna.
I was just wondering if you'd thought about the forest garden aspect of the garden and whether it could be incorporated somehow. It doesn't have to be massive trees. 7 layers of forest gardening that you could have sort of smaller orchard type trees, fruit bushes, and that will incorporate the different layers of forest garden. Having run a forest garden for 7 years now, just outside Carmarthen, that people just don't understand it. But it's actually a really good idea for soil health. And it doesn't have to be massive. You can even do it in pots. So whether to think about that a little bit.
Absolutely, we're willing to do everything. It's going to be completely community led. So when hopefully we have the grant, it'll be what people want and what we can do, and obviously all your expert advice and everything. If you came down to the site and said, look, that would work here, that's what we want. So the site's always open. So if people are walking their dogs or people want to go in and sit down on the bench, obviously they can.